Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to style text in CSS. So first we have to change the font size. So how are we going to do it? First we have to use the line code, font, size, and the value of rem or pixels that you want. In this case we're going to use rem because it's a relative measure. And remember, 1 rem is 16 relative pixels, and if you use pixels, it will be absolute pixels from your screen. And well, font size is important to make your text readable. Title should be bigger, body text medium, and small notes tiny. Next, we have to change the font, and we are going to use the line code font family. Use font family to change the font. In this case, we can put Arial or Verdana, Times New Roman, whatever font that you prefer. In web development, we usually use CHV and sans serif. This is the standard font in web development. Always add a backup font in case the browser doesn't support the first one. This is a recommendation. And third, we have to align the text, and we are going to use the command text align. Use text align dash align colon center semicolon. Center is great for titles, right for sidebars, and left is default. 4. We have the font weight and font style. We can put the text in bold, in italic, so we use font dash weight colon bold semicolon font dash style colon italic. Bold helps highlight important words, and italic is for quotes or emphasis. So here I'm going to style a heading and a paragraph to show the difference live. And that's how you style text in CSS. In the next video, we'll make your page even better with backgrounds, colors, image, and gradients. See you soon!